I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online by proofreading or editing people manuscript. Never thought about making money online and you're thinking, what kind of skill can I learn, or what can I find myself doing in order for me to be able to make money online? I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online by proofreading or editing people manuscript. Like you want to edit people project, you want to edit people work, and then they'll pay you for it. It's Felix here, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Also, you want to like this video and then watch to the end, because what I'm going to be sharing with you is something detailed and something that's going to help you make money online. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process for how you can be able to apply for the editing company from here in Nigeria, and also you're going to be paid in dollar. Mind you, these guys paid handsomely, and if you work with them for a duration of 1 month, you're going to make nothing less than $2,000. If this is something you want to pay attention to, then just sit down and learn. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so now this is my screen and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to apply for an editing job. Okay, so if you want to make money from it, you want to make $2,000 guaranteed, then this is something that you want to pay attention to. So there are so many of them, but I'm going to be showing you one in the course of this video. So what you want to look for is Enago. All right, so search for Enago. You can see editing and proofreading services. You can get this one English. This Enago here. So this and that one, you can check out this. I'm going to review that and go back to you. The reason I'm telling you to use Enago is because I have used it before and it works. So it's how to get into the system that I'm going to be showing you about. Before we go deep down into it, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our my YouTube channel, so that you can get more notification about how you can be able to make money online. Okay, so now we want to click on Enago. Then this is everything you want to read. All right, you can read about it. Okay, I read 30% flat 30% off on all this. Now these are, so they've clocked 15 years. So this brand is not in Nigeria. All right, so it's not in Nigeria. Now if you want to find the editing platform where you can be able to apply, now this is where the trouble comes in, because many a times they do not always have it here, and it's going to be difficult for you to be able to find that link on this site. Okay, so there are some rigorous way you can go about it, and before we could be able to see it, but now it's no longer available. So what I'm going to do for you is, instead of us to start going through it and start looking for it, I'm going to drop you the link. I already have the link there already, so I'm going to drop you the link down on the description, so you can just tap on the link and be able to register directly using the link. Okay, so then I'm going to click here on Enago. Now look at this, is the application form. So now these are the application. Look at this is application form. Okay, so Enago. Now the step 1, fill the application form below. Step 2, you submit it. Then now under the step 2, they have stage 1, 2 and 3. Now in the stage 1 and 2, you're going to be answering multiple quiz questions. It's a quiz of 40 questions or thereabout. I don't know if they've updated it so far. So let me show you, just show you my email address, so that you can see that I've received some work and I've done some work with them. Okay, so as you can see now, these are few of the work I have done so far while I was working with them. So these are their works. Look at when I search for Enago. So these are how the files look like. These are the examinations I took. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you deep depth about it and how you can be able to proceed with that. So you want to answer the 2 quiz questions. Then there's now the 3rd stage, which is the sample editing. Now you want to edit based on the most preferred language or most preferred how am I going to put it, most preferred course or subject that you study. Okay, so then they're going to calculate all the scores, and if you definitely reach, then they're going to send you their freelance agreement, terms of service, and the ever that relevant document for you guys to proceed. Okay, then they'll conduct expert tools for freelance editing. So first thing there is your name, your last name, your first name. Then you want to proceed with the country of residence and then the country of birth. But mind you, this company do not take anybody who is from Nigeria. So if you are from Nigeria, it's going to be difficult for them to be able to even take you. So it's going to be a challenge. So what do you want to do? First thing you want to ensure, I'm sorry I forgot to mention that, ensure that you have your VPN turned off. So I have my NordVPN here. So ensure that you have your VPN turned on. That's the first thing you want to do. I'm sorry I didn't mention that from the beginning. So the first thing you want to do is that ensure you have your VPN turned on. So if your VPN is turned on, then you refresh the site and then put the VPN based on the preferred country. Now the country that is majorly accepted is those in Canada, those in UK, those in Asia country and the likes. So when I registered based on United States. So you want to use United States there. Then country of birth, want to use United Kingdom or London. So you want to use United Kingdom, UK. So country of birth, now country of birth could be either Nigeria or it could still be United so depending on whichever one you want to go with. So I always prefer United Kingdom. Then put your email address, put in your phone number. There are apps that help you get third-party phone number, so you can get those apps and then use those apps in order for you to be able to get those the phone number there, and then choose a country, choose their area code there. Okay, now when it comes to their qualification, you want to understand that you're going with masters. They do not accept people who are bachelor's holders. They don't accept people who are masters or who are even professors or who have further degree in this thing. Then you want to put in your year. This is the one I chose, 4 years. So you want to put in how many years you've been in editing. Mind you, you also want to ensure that you have your CV ready. Okay, so you want to ensure that you have your CV ready. Now in your CV, you want to ensure that every details is being there, and all the details you're putting out there, you want to ensure that your country is United Kingdom, where you graduated from this thing. Just bear in mind that they will not ask you to submit your certificates, they will not ask you to submit all those stuff, so you will not be needing those if you want to submit that. Okay, so email address, put the email address, put in the country of residence, they put your qualification. All right, then years of academic experience, you want to put it down. Then that as publication of the company you work for. So you just want to research any editing company that is just online. You can say, okay, you work with those people, so you can just go down here and then just search for editing company. So editing company in Canada. All right, so you could just search for editing company in Canada. Okay, so you just pick anyone there and you can just put it there as a reference point that, okay, you work with this company. Okay, so please do not forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bar, the bell, to turn on the notification, so that you're going to get more updates about how you're going to make money online. Also, don't forget to like this video so that more people can be able to watch it. You can also share it with your friends, because this is a legit way. You're going to make a minimum of $2,000 if you follow this step, and once they've accepted you. So now you want to choose this. They say they're not currently hiring art and social science, humanities. Okay, so proceed with the next step only if you have in subject area. So you want to proceed with this depending on the one you have. So if you're in art, they might not be able to hire you now, but they need people who are in life sciences, medicine, nursing, and all those, except this, anything regarding this physical sciences. So if you do that, mine was chemistry, so I chose physical sciences. So just choose that. Then how much do you want to charge? Don't go more, just put $20 there. For substances, you put $50. These two cap is what you want to choose. Okay, so they're going to ask you, how did you hear about us? You tell them that you heard about them using their Enago YouTube channel. Alright, it's very important. You heard about them using their Enago YouTube channel, because if they're going to consider, they're going to accept you. Now another question is, I have applied for this position with Enago because you want to tell them either you want to pursue this academic editing as a full-time career, or you want to pursue it short-time basis. But just click full-time career, because that was the one I did. So current full-time position elsewhere, you tell them no. So what are the plans do you have in future? You can just tell them that I plan on getting into full-time editing, and this is going to help me scale my editing career furthermore. So that's the reason why I'm applying for this position. So now what are the services you want to go? Don't go with two deeper things. Just click on copy editing. Alright, copy editing, that's the most cheapest and the most easiest to do. Proofreading and copy editing. So now then I ask you upload resume in MS Word. So you just choose file and then you upload your resume. Okay, you upload your resume. Mind you, it must be in MS Word format, not in PDF. MS Word format. Then upload the picture of you to identify that is your face. So you just upload your picture. Okay, then they're not gonna ask you 8 plus 8. You just tell them what 8 plus 8 is, as 16. And then when you are done, you hit on the submit button. Now it's going to take you to the stage 1 and stage 2. The stage 1 and stage 2 is where you are going to write the quiz. Now in that quiz, they're going to give you multiple options, so you can choose from there. They want to understand better more about how well you know English and how you can be able to articulate this English effectively. Then the second stage, or the third stage rather, is they will now ask you to now edit a sample. Okay, so you can always reach out to me via mail. I'm going to drop my mail, or you just drop me if you have a question. If you're trying it and you get stuck, you can always drop a comment. Alright, drop a question in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you. So you can edit it and write the test based on your subject area. So when you are done, all you need to do is submit to them. So they're going to tell you how you're going to submit it to them. Then you submit it to them. You have 72 hours to complete this stage 1, 2 and 3. Now if you know you're not going to be available to be able to submit it, please do not bother registering. Do not bother going through all these process, because since you're not doing it, there's no need. So do not bother to go to this process. But if you want to take this seriously, you want to make $2,000 monthly, then this is something legit. You can sit down from your house and then you work with it, and then you're also going to make money from it. So this is one thing you want to do, and this is one way to be able to make money from it. I'm going to be posting more on how you can be able to make money online. So if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click on the like button so that more people can see this thing, as well as the notification bell, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I have other videos for you on the screen there. You can as well watch them. Thank you.